Hey friends, I'm Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. In this video today, I will review this very nice dual lens dashcam from Temu.com online marketplace. Temu is a very well-known marketplace just like Amazon and AliExpress, and you can find all types of products from electronics, clothing, toys, accessories, appliances and many more items. Now, Temu has this amazing promotion running on one of the Full HD dual lens dashcam, which you can get for approximately $1. But it's only for the first time Temu app users. Not only this, you will also get a coupon bundle worth $135. You just have to download the Temu app through the link in the description of this video, or scan the QR code on the screen, or you can also search for the special promotional code DPE2575 in the Temu search bar to claim this offer. Just keep in mind that this is a limited time offer till stocks last. Now, coming back to this dashcam. This is a Full HD dual lens dashcam that can record both the front view as well as the inside view, and it's got a small 8 cm display screen. It has the super night vision function, and it can capture a very large 170 degrees wide angle view on the front cam. It's got the loop recording function that allows overwriting all videos to manage the storage space. But the two best features for me in this dashcam is the G-sensor collision detection function and the 24 hours parking monitor feature. Now let's first do a quick unboxing to check out the contents in the box, and then I will take this out to my car, set it up, and then test the overall performance of this dual lens Full HD dashcam from Temu. So keep watching, guys. Alright friends, so this is all you get inside this box. So you get the standard user manual and the user guide. You've got instructions on how to connect this device in your car. Then you got the power cable. This is the cigarette lighter power cable. It's a very long cable, so you can set it up in the car. Then you've got some accessories to connect it in the car. You can use this double-sided tape to connect it with the windshield, or you can connect it with the dashboard or anywhere you want. So you get these accessories with the box. And finally, you have this Full HD dual lens dashcam. So now let's have a closer look at this dashcam. Now it looks quite nice. It's not a big device, it's a small model. What you see on the front is the main front cam lens. And it's a nice color. As you can see, it's a black and silver combination. This is where you connect the mounting bracket like this, and then you can set it up in the car, and I'll show you how I do it when I connect it in my car. Now if you look at the main side, on the left side is where you find all the functions. Now this is a detachable front or inside cabin camera, which can be removed. So if you don't want to record anything happening inside the cabin, you can just remove it, and from here just pull it out like this, and that's it. So if you just want to record front cam, then you just need this unit. But if you also want to record the inside cabin, then you can connect this detachable camera. Right, and the power, it gets connected here at the AV slot, and then the other two connections, one is for the mini USB for power, and then you also have the SD memory card. Now just keep in mind that in the box you don't get an SD memory card or TF card. You need to get that separately, and then this is the main 8 cm display screen, and then you've got the controls at the bottom. So you've got the mode selection, left, right cursor, and then finally the power. And then this here is the reset button. Here you go. So it's a very simple dashcam. It's not very complicated. Anyone can use it. It's got internal speakers as well, and the microphone. You've got connections only on the left side. Now the other nice thing with this is that if you don't want to use the cigarette lighter adapter, and if you have a USB plug in your car which is closer to the rear view mirror or the windshield, you can use one of these USB micro or the mini cable. So this is the USB that goes into the power socket in your car, or the USB plug in your car, and then this is the mini USB connection that you just connect like this, and then connect it with a power source. So you don't actually have to use the cigarette lighter all the time. If you have something like this, you need to just connect that, but just keep in mind this cable doesn't come in the box. You'll have to get this separately, but you have the cigarette lighter, which is available in all the cars would have a cigarette lighter adapter, so it's the best to have this, and then you just need to wire it in the car and set it up. So all in all, it looks quite nice. It's very lightweight and compact. Obviously it's all plastic. Now let me just take this to the car, set it up, and then we start testing the different functions and features of this full HD dual lens dash cam from Temu. So keep watching, guys. Alright friends, so I've set this dash cam in my car. I've connected right below the rear view mirror. As you can see, it comes with this mounting bracket and the very strong double-sided tape that connects it with any material. So I'm connecting it right at the bottom, but you can also connect it with the windshield if you want. And for power, I've got this USB cable right on top of the rear view mirror, so I've connected the cable with the dash cam, but if you want, you can also connect it with the cigarette lighter cable that comes in the box. And as you can see, it looks very, very nice. The good thing is it's not very big, so it doesn't actually block your view. But as you can see, looks quite nice. This 8cm display screen is also quite handy, and it's quite clear. It's basically, as you can see, it's recording. So a very nice kind of a dash cam that you can use it in the car. It's a very nice setup, doesn't need any professional help to install this. You can do this yourself. Now what you have on the screen is this is the front cam view, but if you want, you can change the view like this. It will give you the front inside cabin where I'm recording, as you can see, or then you can have a split screen kind of a view where on the corner is the inside cabin. If you click again, you get another view which is a split, and then this is a side-by-side view. So on the left is the front cam and on the right is the inside cabin view. So many different functions available. In fact, you can go to the settings and change a few things. You can change the resolution. I've set it up to maximum 1080p. You can change it to 720. You can change the loop recording time. I've set it up to 5 minutes, so every 5 minutes a new file gets recorded on the SD card. There are so many different functions available in the settings if you want to customize this for your own experience. But in short, looks very nice. It's a very decent setup. Again, I like that it's not very big, and it's quite a compact design, so it doesn't actually take up a lot of the space. So looks very nice. Now what I'll do is I'll take this out for a drive. I'll record the footage. Alright, so as you can see, the good thing about this is it's got a very nice large wide angle 170 degrees front cam view, so it captures a lot of space from the left to right, and the clarity is also quite good. You can easily make out the number plates on the cars around you. It's quite clear, the colors are nice, the brightness is quite good. And in fact, the one inside cabin view is also quite nice. The good thing is that it comes with this microphone option, so it's got a built-in microphone and a speaker. So if you want to record the conversation inside the cabin, you can do that, but you can also switch that off. For privacy reasons, if you want to switch the microphone off, you can do that in the settings as well. So looks very nice. It's quite clear. The wide angle is amazing, to be honest. It captures quite a lot of the view from the front, and that's quite important. That's it, friends. So this was a quick review of this very nice full HD dual lens dash cam from Temu. I've tested different functions and features. Everything worked amazingly well. Especially at $1 promotional price, it's just simply amazing. But the catch here is that this is available till stocks last. So I would urge you to quickly go. You can go to the link in the description of this video, or you can scan the QR code on the screen, or you can actually go to the Temu app or the website, and in the search bar just type in DPE2575 to get this full HD dash cam at a nice promotional price. That's it, friends. If you like my content, you can go and support this channel with the super thanks icon below. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click on that bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, guys.